in the sleigh?
No, not yet. We're at El Sabo Nature Preserve. Gonna set up the tent we got for Christmas and hopefully find some sledding hills back here. It is just beautiful, isn't it, buddy?
Yes.
We are really on our way. This is in Kalamazoo, Michigan. I think technically Texas Corners.
We're in a camp.
And I guess we're going on the Tibet Trail, maybe, or maybe more trail. I don't know. We're gonna set up the tent probably somewhere in these pines and check that out. Oh, look at this. Sage, have you looked up at all yet?
Yeah.
Wow. Arrived at our camp spot. It's right up at the top of this hill.
And I'm gonna play in the snow down here.
Okay, but let's get to the top of the hill first so we can set up camp. And boy, that hill is a lot steeper than it looks on the film. All right, here we go. All right, we've made it to the top of the hill. Sage is over there playing in the snow. We're gonna set up our new tent. That is a UNP 2-person backpacking tent. That was very cheap that I got on Amazon, I think for like 35 bucks. So we're gonna test it out. We'll be back when it's all set up. All right, we got the tent set up. It's kind of hard to stake it down properly in the snow like this, and I gotta go look at some pictures and reviews online to see exactly how this is staked out, because I think there might be some sort of manufacturing defect, or they put I think there's supposed to be like a bungee cord with a hook on this one, and it's on the one to the side of it, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But we are here heating up some snow. I'm gonna boil that and make some ramen noodles for Sagers. He is in the tent right now. He's got his shoes off and his gloves off, living his best life.
Dad, I don't want.
There he is in the tent,
Dad, I don't know how to do this.
playing on his new phone. Yeah, coming all the way out to nature and playing on a phone. I guess I'm filming, so not much better.
Dad, can you please help me?
There's the sledding hill, and yeah, 1 second, buddy. Amongst the pines, beautiful. We are just day camping here. We're not staying the night or anything, but it should be fun. I have to go sledding. Grab the sleds.
Okay. I want the green one.
Hey, grab them. We're going to this big hill over here. It's almost like a bobsled run in between the weeds and stuff.
Get the red one.
Dude, I said bring both of them.
What?
I said just bring them.
Oh. I thought you...
Here goes Sage down the big hill.
Yeah, buddy.